Scorpio, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements to get the most of your reading. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Scorpio. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please tap the bell for notification. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga energies and messages for Scorpio, please, on love and romance. Scorpio. Okay. Surprise. Romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them. Okay? May mga romantic surprises from your person. Be open to them or get ready. Destiny. The reunion with your twin flame is a destined event. Okay? Destined event. Merong pagkikita muli. Okay? With your person. Twin flame. Imperfections. Love is a beautiful mess. Embrace its imperfections. Okay. So, may mga imperfections, of course, sa relationship. Embrace it. Okay? Sparks. Sparks. Keep the sparks flying. Surprise each other with gestures of love. Okay. Okay. Surprise each other with gestures of love. Okay. That is for some of you. Keep the sparks alive in the relationship. Nurture it. Okay. And protect the relationship. Scorpio. Love and messages for Scorpio, please. Scorpio. Scorpio. So, Scorpio, merong movement sa inyong relationship, okay? Your person is determined na puntahan ka or bisitahin ka. Gusto ka niya. Scorpio, yung iba sa inyo gusto makipag-ayos. Okay? Yeah. But it seems that your person, meron siyang sorrows or nalulungkot siya. Maybe your person is missing someone also. Okay? Yes. You are open to possibilities kung ano man ang mangyari sa inyong relasyon. Scorpio. Merong pag-uusap sa huli. Someone is really sad. Someone is broke. Okay? May problema about money yung person ninyo. For some of you, that is Parang yun yung nangyayari sa kanya, okay? Or for some, nalulungkot, someone is left behind, okay? Yeah. Mayroong disappointment and sadness on the part of your person, Scorpio. Yeah. Gusto niya, yung iba, gusto niya makipag-ayos sa inyo. Determinado siya na makipag-ayos. Meron siyang regrets and meron siyang mga kalungkutan din na nangyayari sa part niya. Yeah. Your person is regretful. Kung meron man siyang nagawa na hindi fair sa inyo, okay? Your person feels that you are moving forward also. You are open to possibilities. You are full of hope. You are independent, okay? And left out in the cold siya. Parang feeling niya parang hindi siya pinapansin or meron siyang kakulangan or kino-compare niya ang sarili niya sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Merong pag-uusap sa huli about the relationship, kung ituloy pa ba or hindi. Okay. Yeah. Or someone will bibisitahin ka ng person mo, pag-uusap how to move things forward sa inyong relasyon. Okay? Merong pag-aayos, pag-uusap. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Do what is right for you, Scorpio. Okay? And focus ka din if you have goals. Para sa sarili mo. For some, you have to take the leadership or to lead the relationship. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Scorpio, the chariot. Yeah, Queen of Wands. Yeah. Someone is confident. Yung person mo confident siya. Okay, may tiwala siya about sa relationship. He or she, parang nag-gather siya ng confidence, no? And courage para lumapit or puntahan ka. Yeah. Parang gusto niya kunin yung attention ninyo, Scorpio, or suyuin ka, okay? Okay. Yeah, 9 of Pentacles. You are the person na parang capable ka, okay? Most especially, capable ka to support a family or someone, okay? Yeah, your person wants give and take. For some of you, yung person mo will give you something valuable, okay? A gift. Or your time, or yung time niya at attention, okay? Bakit may 5 of Cups? 7 of Cups. May iniisip ang inyong person, okay? Kung anong magandang gawin about sa'yo or sa relasyon. Kasi merong regrets sa part niya. Okay? The Fool. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Yes, Scorpio, you are open to possibilities. Okay? You are secured. Yeah. You are parang nagtitake ka ng action para sa security mo and sa stability mo. Okay? You are also hopeful or hopeful that your person will offer something that is maybe a proposal, offer you something, or iparamdam sa inyo na secured ka sa relasyon. Okay? Yeah. But for you, come what may, Scorpio. Okay? Yeah. Open ka sa possibilities kung ano man mangyari or sa inyong relasyon. Okay? Yeah, Knight of Wands. Yeah. Parang for some of you, your person left out in the cold. Okay? And hindi niya din alam. Parang hindi siya sigurado if you are going to respond to him or her. If you are going to take actions. Parang nalulungkot din siya that maybe hindi ka na rin ganun ka-interesado sa kanya. Scorpio. Okay? Yeah. For some, may problema when it comes sa stability ng inyong relationship. Okay? Yeah, hindi ganun ka-secured. Sometimes okay, sometimes hindi. Eight of Wands, Eight of Wands. Yeah, Six of Cups. Yes. Merong pag-uusap how to move forward sa inyong relasyon or merong pag-aayos na mangyayari. Okay? Things will move forward para sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Yeah. Take the lead, Scorpio. Kung meron kang gustong sabihin or meron kang plans about sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Sabihin mo, communicate it with your person. Yeah. If you need to give support to your person, do the right thing as well. Be kind. Okay? Yeah. Parang merong pinagdadaanan ng inyong person. Okay? Meron siya mga personal issues na kailangan niya rin ayusin. You're being kind. King of Wands. Three of Swords. Yeah. Merong kailangan ayusin. Kung ano man, if you are heartbroken or yung person mo man to, merong disappointments and frustrations. Okay? Kailangan mag-take ng action to heal the relationship. Okay? To heal the pain. Kung meron man mga past issues and all that, kailangan pag-usapan. Okay? And be supportive sa isa't isa. Be kind. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It seems that your person, they need you, Scorpio. But you are doing fine on your own. The problem is, the challenge is, hindi lang ganun ka-stable. Parang hindi ganun ka-consistent yung action ng inyong person that is affecting yung kabuuan ng relasyon. Okay? 8 of Wands, communication, merong pag-aayos or pag-uusap. Be kind to one another. Okay? Yeah. Kung merong mga issues about children, merong pag-uusap tungkol dyan or pag-aayos, merong arrangement, something like that. Scorpio. Yeah. Because someone, parang merong problem also when it comes to money. Okay? Or resources. Alright. So, yeah. Your person is going towards you, Scorpio. Maaring pupuntahan ka niya, bibisitahin, okay? Merong pag-uusap, talking about responsibilities, children, okay? Yeah. Someone is sad. Yeah, your person is sad. Merong frustrations or kalungkutan sa kanya and regrets sa mga nangyayari sa part niya. And you are open to possibilities. You are independent, okay? You are confident. You are okay. You are safe. Yeah. Yeah, you feel that your person also needs to feel safe for some of you. Kailangan ng tulong ng inyong person and support. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga hidden truths from your person. So, merong pag-aayos or pag-uusap. Things will move forward. Okay. Merong damayan. Okay. Damayan is kailangan para magkaroon, to resolve kung ano man yung concerns or issues, kung ano man yung problema. Okay. Sa inyong dalawa, na apektado ang inyong relasyon. Okay. Scorpio. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. Just being near you is intoxicating. Okay. Your person feels good kung nandyan ka. Okay. Naiisip ka niya or, yeah. It was my fault, but I blamed you. Okay. Scorpio. I wish I had treated you better. Okay. So, merong realization din from sa part ng inyong person. That's why gusto kanyang puntahan. May gusto siyang ayusin. Okay. They need you. Yeah. Yeah. You feel that your person is with you para to feel safe and protected. You are supportive to him or her. So, merong pag-uusap. Okay? How to move things forward. Okay? So, Scorpio, maraming salamat sa inyo. Ito lang yung mga messages for Scorpio. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!